Hello friend, this is Sanjay here again. So in the last video, I told you in the next video I'll prepare this income statement for the next 4 years, so total 5 years, right? So we already done our total unit sold, project and selling costs, cost per unit, salary and rent, and all the adjustment up there. So now we are taking some assumption for the next 4 years so that we can complete 5 years for this income statement. So as our first assumption is revenue is increasing 5% every year. So just go over there. S is equal to take revenue, because revenue is the base and because revenue is increasing 5% every year. So that's why we take revenue plus 5% from here, sorry, plus the same, because we are taking 5% of the revenue. So just take that one into 5%, bracket close, and you will get 157,500. And if you click here, you can see the direct relationship between the revenue and this 5%. So what you need to do, just drag up to the end and you will get the 5% increase in all the revenue. If you go there, you can see the relationship between revenue here and there. If if you click here, you can see our formula is right, because the revenue is here, the 5% is. So I want to tell you, if you don't take 5% here, you delete 5% here, your old formula is gonna wrong, because this is um, 157,500, 150,500, because there is no percentage. So you have to keep the percentage over here as well, otherwise you can't make your model in the perfect manner and you miss the terms. Okay, the same approach we will go for cost of goods sold. Just go there, is equal to plus, take the same amount, because you are calculating 5% on the cost of goods sold, into 2%, bracket close, just enter, you will get 51,000. Just drag over there and you can see all the connection. You click here, you can see the formula is working. If you go there, you can see the formula is working here again. So just drag this one, because I already put the formula there, so doesn't need to put it again. Just go for the margin, just drag, you'll get all the margins there, 68%, 69%, 69%. And for the salary, as the revenue of the company is increasing, definitely they are earning more profit, and it's like legal, or you can say there is a company policy to increase the salary every year, not the rent or not the depreciation. You can do it, but it's depend upon the company how they deal with their accounts. So we go by the salary, they are increasing 3% every year. So just go there, do the same, plus sign, take the salary again into 3%, close bracket, just enter, you will get 10,000, right? It is increasing. First increase will be on 10,000, second increase will be on 10,300, third increase will be on 10,609, right? And it keeps going. Just go for the rent. Is I I didn't put an increase in the rent. If you want to increase, you can have the same approach. So I'll just kept everything safe. I just go very quick. Okay, because this is not a formula, so that's why going like this. If I keep the rent same, so just go there and make assumption there. 45. But if you want to go like this, so you go like this. That's 45, right? 45, 45. 12,000. Take the 12,500 from here. Just enter. Just drag. You will get the same thing, right? So doesn't need to write it over here. If you go just over there, you can go there. If you wanna make any assumption like increase or decrease, you can go here. For the interest, 5. Okay, you can, because this loan is like a 50,000, because you're not paying yet. You're paying this the scenario 1000, because there is a percentage. That's why it's go back. So drag over there. All 50. Need to have a number here. If you do like this, want to calculate over there, you can go there 5%. Need to have it as well. Delete all these, get the formula like these. So all of these. So see, you can see here. So it's still showing like in a different way. So I'll go like this. The right formula like here and there, like here and there. If you click here, you get your formula there. If you click here, you get formula there. Okay, just take your. So here you get suffering a loss somehow. This take it. So see, you are in the profit again, because I missed these terms over here because I didn't drag it, and I didn't have the complete calculation there, right? Even here, why it's this here as well. All the numbers there. So now we got all the numbers for the whole 5 years. So there's a 30%. I did that. So you have to, because if I drag it like this, you will not get anything, because this is a formula. You go there, there's a formula here and there. So if you want to go by this, you need another column with the same thing. Just 30% for everywhere. Then you drag it, you will get hold the formula. If you go there, there is a connection for this year, and 30%. Okay, you go here, you can get the connection for here. So this is how we make all the formulas. And actually I'm not doing in like a perfect manner. I don't do any mistakes, but when I do some mistakes here, when I think about it, then you know what is going wrong here, then I correct it. You come exactly comes to know what was the problem and how I fixed that one. So what you have to do, just keep looking. I'll just go by natural. I just uh, will make the model for you. It doesn't matter, I'm making some mistakes and correcting it. Good for you, because when you do it, you will face the same thing. So this is for you. I think it's very informative. And if you have any question, and just comment, I'll let you know, fix it for you.